This is a video of an 8-year-old girl leading 300 goats in China with confidence and happiness. When we saw this video, we were so impressed. So we had to fly to China to meet this girl and tell you her story.
你好 naas daily 我叫陈婉，今年8岁，我很喜欢羊。
Turns out this little girl is still here, still herding goats, and has been doing it since she was 3 years old because she loves it.
跟着大人一边照顾他一边看羊，那一次机会他就偶然的他就羊群呢就跟着他，才意识到还可以给我们领羊。
Her parents let her do what she wanted. They let her feed the goats, ride the goats, pick up the goats, and even lead the goats. All 300 of them with just a little stick and a lot of confidence.
为了让他知道我在这里等着他，听到我的声音。
But here is the interesting part. When her father uploaded that video to the internet, a lot of people got annoyed. They said, why do you let your girls do this? There is nothing they can learn from this. They should just study in the house.
有时候很多朋友质疑我们，让小姑娘去放羊，把时间呢，耽误到，怕影响到她的学习。但我们教育孩子呢，有我们自己的想法，我们呢也不希望她的光学习书本上的知识。
He let her study at school for half of the day and study in nature for the other half of the day. From school, she learned typical subjects like algebra, and from the goats, she learned the value of hard work, earning income, and making decisions.
我们平时对她的学习还是没有放松，也让她，有时候时间不够，家里做不完，就让她，背着书包在边放羊边做。
To her parents, the combination of education from school and life was perfect.
因为孩子大了之后可能也会有压力，不像童年乐观的，希望他通过一些特长去，延续保持他一种乐观的一种生活状态。
This goes to show that real education comes in all shapes and forms. It can come from a school, it can come from a playground, and it can even come from a goat. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Naas Daily. Naas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.